Okay, here we have puppies ready for feeding time.
Poppy. Come here, you're going the wrong way. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. Come on. Are you stuck? Twig. Poppy. All right, you gotta lay down, Lily. Lay down. Come on. Lay down, Lily. All right, here she comes. Come on. Come on, sweetie. Come on, find Mama. Come find Mama. It's good exercise for them to walk to you, Ellie.
Your foot's in your way.
My foot, my slipper. Keep coming. Keep coming. Lily found it. Keep coming. No, I'm not your mama. There you go. Poppy's gonna make it. She gonna make it. Now move over. I knew Lily would be first. She's the piggy. There we go. So that little bit of exercise is good for them to crawl from there to there.
Now that scratching noise you hear is their nails getting longer and longer.
We're gonna clip nails today. And all we gotta use is a regular little pair of fingernail clippers. So this is our life every 3.5 hours. For about another week and a half or so, maybe 2 weeks. Depends. It really depends on them. But they seem to be doing pretty good, and she's a piggy. Hear her?
So we just wanted to share a day of our life with you, with 3 little pigs.
And Lily is the milk drainer. She will suck every one of those nipples and get all the milk out and save none for anyone else.
And Twig up on top is the nipple puller.
So we have Twig, Poppy, and Lily. Whoops. There we go. So they'll nurse for about 15 minutes and then that'll be it.
For another 3.5, 4 hours.
So what she's getting that first few minutes there is straight milk because she tries to drain all the nipples and then these other 2 have to work to get the rest of the milk out. This way, honey. This way. Mommy doesn't have any milk up here. We keep a dish towel here so that they don't go up by Ellie's face. We still don't trust her 100%, so. And she's good with that. She's not minding it. She likes to feed her babies. And she likes to watch her babies in the crate, but she definitely did not have the mama instinct. I'm hoping now that their eyes are open And they're moving around some. She's finally realized that they're dogs and not rodents. How cute is that? I could watch that all day. Little twig here looks like Finnegan in the face. He's got the narrow face.
Time to go below.
So what we do is we pull her belly to expose more. She's got 2 nips that they don't even want. They don't want this one. And there's milk in there, but they don't want it. And then she's got a funky nip down there where she's got 2 nipples close to each other, and they don't like those either. There we go. I help them find food. Ellie's gonna get a bath. Get her face cleaned up and make her feel healthy again. And she is eating puppy food.
She's eating sometimes 4 times a day.
Yeah, we feed her as much as she wants because she's got to produce milk. Oh, baby. Yeah. She's a good girl. She's mommy's good girl. I really just want to clean her up. She's looking a little disheveled. It's a rough life being a mama, huh? Yeah. But she likes to lay here in the whelping box and wait for them to come out and eat. And it's cute when she lays here and stares at them in the crate and her tail wags. But that's about it, guys. So after they're done eating, we'll take them in the bathroom and we'll stimulate them and they'll go potty. Lily's starting to pee a little bit on her own. But Mr. Twig here does not. And Miss Poppy does not.
Miss Poppy pees like a guy, though.
She does. That's
There
a girl.
she goes.
It probably feels good, doesn't it, Ellie? To have them suckle all that milk out of there, huh? My fingernails probably aren't feeling very good, though, are they? It's just a feeding frenzy for 10 to 12 minutes. And when when the milk is gone, then they'll pump her. Like they'll start beating her up and to get that last drop of milk. Twig does a very good job at that. But they're so stinking cute. You cannot help but love these little babies. We're just hoping Ellie will play with them and nurture them a little bit, huh? You gonna nurture your babies? Where you going, Twig? Do you need some help? You're so fat. My goodness. Look at your belly. You're so chubby. You're so chubby. She's like, leave me alone. I want to eat. They have never lost any weight at all, and they're actually like 1 pound, 10 ounces now. They're huge. I keep telling Ellie she's got cheese in there. They're going to be very healthy puppies. And they're starting to play with each other a little bit. So. I guess that's it.
Do you want to show their faces as they bring them out, or are you going to let them continue to suckle?
Well, I'm waiting to see what she's doing here. Here he goes, Mr. Pumper.
Pump and pull.
Those 2 back nipples is where all the milk's at. That's why they like to be back there. But Twig always comes up to the top up here, to these upper ones.
Because he doesn't have to fight with his sisters as much.
That's true, because those 2 are bullies. But he weighs the most. So he knows how to feed himself. But he was also the last one to have his eyes open. Their ears are almost open. They can't hear yet, but they can see. But it takes them a couple of weeks to actually see. So everything right now is really blurry. He gave up. Like,
Going down below.
like, move over, Lily. I want that nip. Poppy's very laid back. She doesn't have a care in the world. Lily is very dominant, and Twig, he is squirmy wormy. When I do E&S with him, where I turn him different ways, he doesn't like it. But you gotta handle them and get them used to human touch. It actually stimulates their brain, and I think it makes them smarter. But I'm gonna be very hands-on with these puppies, so when they are ready to go to their new homes, they will be a very good pet. We are gonna be pad training them and all that fun stuff. Hopefully we'll get them to sit and do manding with them so they don't jump up on you unless you invite them. But here's Lily. Here's Miss Poppy. And they do burp.
Our little polar bears.
She's so cute. If Twig lets go, I'll show you Twig. I don't like to pull them off. Hi, baby girl. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You guys gotta have your nails trimmed. Oh, she's gonna go suckle. And here's little Twig. Squirmy wormy, I call him. Where you going, Poppy? You stay away from Mommy's face. I don't trust her yet. I mean, she's doing good. But just that one split second might be all it takes for her to nip. But we did order her a soft muzzle. And we're going to try it next week. It should be here Wednesday. So we're going to try letting them out and being in the box with her and see how she does. She acts like she'll be okay, and then the next minute she's lungy, so I don't know. Maybe she just wants to smell them and lick them, but I just don't want to take the chance of them getting nipped. They're too little yet. But, thanks for watching. We'll have more puppy updates soon. Bye for now.